Okay, we're going.
We're going. Okay, we are, it's our aspect here. We are, where you get it going here. Now we are northeast slope, 28 degrees. Oh, we have a depth of, we're gonna have to do some math because it's 155 to here. $155 plus another 55. So we're
210.
210.
310 centimeters.
Oh, 310.
310, yeah.
Yeah, because okay.
All right, and then
That was 225 plus 55.
yeah, and I'll have to work backwards here. So I'm going to make the top of this when I'm taking depth measurements.
255 plus 55. Is that right?
Yeah.
It's 122 inches.
All right, so I got.
What's our elevation? Do we know?
It's 98.
9,800?
Yeah. All right, so we got fist there, a little firmer there, probably say 4 fingers, 4 fingers at 190, and I'll adjust that when I do it. 4, it's getting a little harder there, and that's like 2 fingers. 2 fingers starts at 150. Probably 1 finger at 130. Yeah, good 1 finger all the way down to the bottom of our pit at 120. As far as any weak layers that are in there, I am not feeling anything. It's just full on storm layers there.
Continuing increasing in density.
Yep, just pretty smooth, progressive density there.
Our elevation is 9,440.
9440, that sounds a little more right to me.
And it's
Yeah, pause it for a second here.
a northeast facing right now.
This out of the way. Okay. Okay, rolling again.
We've been rolling the whole
We've been
time.
rolling the whole time?
Yep.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8. We got a little storm layer at 225, but it's not propagating. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
And you've gone through.
So 20, we've got a break at like 160. And a break at whatever I said up there. 3, 24. 24, but it's not a clean fracture. There's not a weak layer in there that where it's coming off. All right, let's try it one more time on this one and see if we get similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Crack coming out.
20, or was that about 18? So that's again at our 190.
190.
Yeah.
Same place it broke before.
Yeah. So if you come over here, you kind of see you can see that layer right there. But all right, Griff, you want to try this last column? I make it look easy, but kind of takes practice.
So keep filming.
Sure. We can critique Griffin.
Right here?
Yep. So 5 or 10 on the wrist.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Let go of this.
8, 9, 10.
Yeah. Now with the elbow. Just the elbow. Keep the shoulders still.
Should I move that off?
No, keep going. Okay, stop right there. So we got a fracture 210. It's probably a storm layer. You can see it. Give it another little tap.
Yeah.
So it's cracking,
Moving out.
but it's not propagating.
Should I move it out?
See if it'll move. It's moving in chunks, but not as a whole.
And then 10 more?
Well, just no. You got to remember where you were at.
Yeah, I was at 10 with the elbow.
Okay. And you can pound it with your fist too. If it kind of starts hurting my hand, and you start.
9, 10.
So that's 30 total, right?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm not seeing anything down here. It's these storm layers, but nothing's really scaring me. Scaring you?
No. So stop it.
Yeah.